So this is my Flutter app demo. So this is Firebase, the cloud Firestore, the database, and this is my app. So my Flutter, this demo name, I call it Flutter 10. So those my Firebase database name. Uh, so here is my iPhone XR simulator. So if I enter a message, for example, I enter doc and I click send to Firestore, then there's the one. Where's the doc? Okay, here is the doc I entered. If I try to enter something else, um, say food, send to Firestore, then there's one more. Where is the food? Here is the food. So, so basically, uh, this Cloud Firestore, uh, this star collection, this collection is like a like a table's name, I think. So I called it a message. This collection, I called it messages. I said this one. Then you like collection ID is basically this column's name. I call it messages. Then it asks you to add the type. It's like a table or a column. It's probably like an entity, like a no. So this is like a table's name actually. And then uh, you can set a field. You can add different fields. So here I only have one field, so like a one column. I call it text. Then I set the type as a string. So I enter the message and it's go in here. You can add different field, so different columns. So this message is basically a table, an entity. And um, so here is a code. Oh no, what I did. Okay, here is a code. So I open this with no, Android Studio. So it's basically the same. I run I run it in terminal. So I enter Flutter emulators launch. This is a command line. Then this line open the simulator. Then this Flutter one run this app. It's take like over 10 minutes for this app to launch. It's very slow. Uh, Here's the code. So basically, I just follow the instruction online. So when you start, you basically like start a new project. You enter the project name, then you follow the steps, and you connect it with your Flutter app. Um, it will generate like a sample of Flutter app for you. Then I just edit the sample app. So basically, this Firebase option start is automatically generated when you connect your Flutter app with a Firebase. So this main dart is the file you design your app. Uh, so I added this line. So this is a line you connect to your Firebase. And then I also you add this import packages. So uh, for connecting Firebase, uh, so here, what else? So here I add this line to add the text field or enter your messages text field. And then this is a method I created to send the message, send a text to the Firebase. So see this message is a table's name here, back. This message is collection's name, usually a table's name. And text is a field name. And I probably could give a different name because it sounds like text. And then this line is saying after the message is sent, it will empty this text field, clear it. What else? So those are the code come with the sample app. Yeah. So here those stuff, the new thing I added. So this is a text field, the label, enter a message, and the button called the elevated button. So when you press unpressed, it sends the message to Firestore. And send to Firestore, there's the message on the button. So this is a code. And so see, because Firebase options, this file is automatic generated when you connect your Flutter app to the Firebase. So those are, I didn't change anything in this file. It's all automatic generated. So it contains my API key, app ID, like those stuff. Another thing I changed is this file called pop spec YAML. This file, so all the dependencies are in this file. So you can see the Flutter 10 name, description. This is a dependency, Flutter, SDK Flutter. So the one I added are these three lines. I add Firebase Core, Cloud Firestore, and Firebase Auth. Those three dependencies I added. I didn't use Auth one. This is for user authentication. Like when you want user to enter email, password, you want to use this one. But I didn't use this one for this demo app. But I added here. Yeah. So this is a demo for the iPhone. I could try the Android simulator too. I'll need to, let me see. Alright. Guess I do. Okay, this is local. I go to terminal. So this is terminal. No. How do I close, run? Yeah. How do I quit? Yeah. Did I quit? Oh, I quit. I just quit. So if I run on a different simulator, I type flutter emulator, and then tell me I have those machines available. So I'm gonna try to run on this one. So I'll use this command flutter emulators launch. I'll copy this one. Then I type the phone's name. I'm gonna use this one. Copy. So this command line will open the Android simulator. So here's the Android one. Right here. I have it's loading. So Android seems faster than the iPhone simulator. See, it only take a few seconds for it to open. Then I type flutter run. Now it's run the app. Have to wait. Okay, gonna take a while. Okay, I'm gonna choose first one, Android. Okay, one. Okay, running Gradle task. 8 seconds. Okay, now it's good. So it's much faster than Apple one. iPhone simulator take like 12 minutes. This one probably 1 minute. Okay, so this is a app on the Android phone. Again, when I type, I say, good. Okay, Google. Okay, Google is fine. If I type Google, I send to Firestore. Then see, there's something new. Where's the Google? Because this like random letters, they are ID. They're actually ID, and I select auto ID. That's why everything look like password. Where's the Google? Okay, here's the Google. So this is on Android. Another one. Hua sent to Firestore. Okay. So the problem is I don't know which one is the new one. Okay, here. This is Hua, the new one. So this is a demo app.